Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your Hey or TV is online. You need Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable and a stable signal. Once connected, use the remote, press Home, navigate to Apps, and open YouTube. If YouTube is not installed, select Store or App Center and download it. This takes a few minutes. Make sure to sign in with your Google account so subscriptions and history sync. Doing this now gets you immediate access to personalized content and saved playlists. Once YouTube is open, start exploring by using Search. Type with the on-screen keyboard or press the voice button if your remote supports it. Navigate results with arrow keys. Highlight a thumbnail and press Enter to open the video page, then press OK to play or pause. While watching, use the Options menu to change quality, captions, or speed. To jump between your saved content, go to the sidebar and open Library for subscriptions, history, and playlists. To finish, learn casting and settings. If you prefer mobile control, tap the cast icon on your phone's YouTube app and select your Hey or TV. Playback transfers instantly. Make sure to review YouTube settings on TV to set video quality, captions, and autoplay behavior so you get the experience you want. If playback stutters or app crashes, restart the TV, verify network strength, and update the YouTube app or TV firmware. One restart often resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.